So this page was having you, like I said, take a closer look at molecules and atoms. So you were counting how many was in each. Um, Again, there's a couple ways to do this. You could have gone through and actually counted each individual atom for the whole box. So, I could have started here, counted my spheres, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then I could have counted the smaller spheres. Okay, so I could have gone through and kind of, like I said, just count every individual thing. Or hope maybe what you realize, that's very tedious. There's actually a little bit quicker way that I could do this. Remember, we said this whole thing is a molecule. So hopefully you counted how many molecules you have. So let's look at this one. We'll look at this bottom one, A7 as an example. Okay, so here's my molecule. I have 9 of those. So I have 9 molecules, okay? I want to know how many atoms I have total in this whole box. Well, a very quick way I could do that is just count how many atoms is in one molecule, and then I know I have 9, so I can kind of do some math and figure out. So let's say in each molecule, let's say, so I have my 4 large spheres, okay, plus I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So plus 10 atoms. So every molecule has 14 atoms. So technically I could just set up a little equation. So if I have 9 molecules, okay, I know that one molecule has 14 atoms. So I've set this up very similar to our dimensional analysis where I have, I'm canceling out my units, and then I can just multiply 9 by 14, and now I can figure out how many individual atoms I have. So my total is 126. And I could do that for each of these, right? So now that I know that every molecule has 14 atoms, I could come here and count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that is going to be 20 molecules, right? And I know that one molecule is 14 atoms. So then I can just multiply that together, and I get, that is not, I divided. Let's see, 2 times 14 is 28, 280 atoms. Okay, so you probably could have just known to do that in your head, but as we go through these next few units, we're going to start seeing this kind of dimensional analysis pop up here and there. So this kind of thinking is not going away. So as we go through to the next slide, you're going to be looking at how we can kind of start comparing some of these 3 cards in different ways.